Hello there, this is Ívar at the Ívar's Fly workshop. Today we are going to tie a fly which is called BAB or Kibbi or Bobbin. It has probably 3 names. It's an Icelandic fly and it's a really good fly when it comes to fishing for Arctic char especially. We start by attaching the thread to the shank of the hook, and we will make the fly with a black vinyl rib. For the job we use black vinyl rib, and I prefer to use a large vinyl rib for this fly. Then we attach the vinyl rib like this to the back of the hook, get the thread forward, and then we will start to wrap the vinyl rib around the body of the fly, all the way until we reach the bead. So now we have reached the bead on the fly with our vinyl rib. Next thing we need is to get this orange colored globrite. That is what makes and should go behind the bead. So that is finished. We will now just attach the rest of the globrite to make that sail secure, snip off the end of it, and start to make the knot itself. So we will do the knot with the whip finishing tool. We'll do it a couple of times just to be safe and secure. So now there is nothing left but to put like a coat of varnish on the fly, or just on where the knot and the thread is located. So thanks for watching. Please give the video a like, and you may subscribe to the channel if you like it. It will be helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.